Hi guys! Welcome to DJ Boutique. Today, we'll be crafting a beautiful flower using ribbon and mesh rhinestone. So here, we have a satin ribbon that is 3.8 cm wide and 60 cm long. And this is our mesh rhinestone. We'll just be cutting one strip of it. Now we have our one strip. We will cut it to be the same length as our ribbon. Let's attach it to the ribbon. Get your needle and thread ready. We will start sewing. We will now attach our centerpiece. In this tutorial, I will be using this rhinestone. Our beautiful flower is finished. This can be attached to either a hair clip or a headband. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!